Hello, in this video, I will be showing the rights management extension for Siemens NX. To begin, let's start with what this is. The rights extension for Siemens NX is a standard NX plugin that integrates seamlessly with NixLabs SkyDRM to provide rights management features. Next, we will review what it does. It provides several new features in the Siemens NX application. The first feature is New Protection. The user can directly protect the normal assembly in the NX application and view document information such as the classification and the permissions applied to the protected file. The second feature is Access Control. It allows the authorized users to open a NixLabs protected file in NX. The third feature is Usage Control. It controls whether the user can save as, or export and print on the NixLabs protected assembly in NX. In addition, it prevents screen capture if permissions are not granted through anti-screen capture support. The fourth feature is Persistent Protection. Whenever a user saves as, or exports a NixLabs protected assembly, the new file always remains protected and the classification code also remains the same as before. The fifth feature is Watermark Overlay. It is a secure overlay that is shown over the NX window. It contains dynamic watermark text which is predefined in the policy. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's demo the features discussed. Before we proceed, let's review some settings in the demo environment. IP classification is a document classification category that is predefined in SkyDRM. It has two optional values, Super Secret and Secret. There are two user accounts here, Jimmy Carter and Ming. We will use one of the user's attributes, location, in the policy later. There are also 4 policies that are predefined using the above classification and attribute. Let's proceed to the first use case, where I will demonstrate access control and usage rights for NX files. First, let's look at the demo environment. On this machine, both the NX RMX plugin and SkyDRM desktop application have already been installed. Now, let's start a managed NX from Teamcenter. After NX started, we can see the NixLabs ribbon tab, which indicates that the NX RMX is properly loaded. The current RMD login user is Ming. I will start by trying to open this super secret assembly. And as you can see, I am denied access. Alternatively, let's try to open a secret assembly. I am able to open this successfully. But as you can see, the part file is marked as read-only and no modifications are allowed. Let's make this file a work part and try to modify it. A message pops up that the file is read-only. To view the classification of the work part, Ming can use the View File Info button on the ribbon tab. As you can see, he only has view permissions on this file classified as secret. Now, let's switch to another user, Jimmy Carter, in RMD. Let's try to open the super secret assembly again. As you can see, it opened successfully. However, Jimmy Carter has read-only rights and can't make any edits. If I try to print this assembly, it will also be denied because Jimmy Carter doesn't have print rights. The second use case will show retain protection after Save As in managed mode. Now, let's try to open a secret assembly. As you can see, it opened successfully, and the assembly files are not read-only, as Jimmy Cutter is able to modify it. Let's make this file a work part and make some modifications. Let's save these changes back to Teamcenter. The save is successful, so let's close it. Next, if we go to Teamcenter to check the files, in Named References, we will see that the file is updated and remains protected. Let's open the file again to verify the changes and classification. As you can see, the content is updated. NX supports the automatic generation of JT files while saving the assembly back to Teamcenter. Let's save the assembly again. In Teamcenter, you can see a new JT dataset has been created. If you go to the named reference, you can see by the .nxl extension that the new JT file is also protected. Let's download the JT file. And check the file info. You can see here that the classification will also be inherited from the source assembly. In the last use case, you will see how retain protection of the file exported outside Teamcenter works with Nixlab's protected files. When a user wants to share the assembly with an external user who has no access to Teamcenter, they can use NX to convert the assembly files in Teamcenter into unmanaged mode. Let's try to export this file outside of Teamcenter. You can also select the protected assembly in this dialog to export. I will then click OK to export. After the export is completed, in the destination folder, you can see the exported files are all protected as indicated by the .nxl. With this, we conclude our demo on Nixlab's Rights Management extension for Siemens NX. Thank you for watching.